Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngaki kan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingïalang. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Menteri rang bahak kajela u Conrad ki Sangma hak artrik ucembang ajar penriau ula pelat pajba ya ka kali ambulans baik ka mercury ban jong kadar bas nong Madanriting. Hak Jingïalang bala pelong da kadar bas nong Madanriting ha St. Peter's Secondary School Madanriting Shillong. Hak ni ka Jingïalang menteri rang ba ula pengkup burom ru yaki kena skol lagi papas bah yaki examen yaki nong tray ka tanat ka kot ka khia hakapor baka celak kelas challenge shop hau COVID-19 yaki pulit yaki nong penkhut yaki nong ili akai sports bat yaki riu temen riusan jong kasnong haba Kren hakani ka Jingïalang kum ukong san Conrad Sangma ula Kren Laiñ da khatin Khasi bat penpanaru ban a Jingïarap arlak tengka naka Chief Minister Special Grant syaki school gi bay shimenta hakani ka sngi nakabanta ki jingdon kam ki jongki ula kularu ban penurlong gi jing pensngau jong kadar basnong hakabay day bi jingdon kam jong kasnong bat ikipat ba nong shnong haka Jingïalang laidan lang uku chairman jong State Law Commission Meghalaya upa lambor malangyang ka MP Barem ka Raja Sabha ka Kongwan Suks im kinongkit kam shnong bat kipat ba nong shnong
and all the guests of honor. As the guest of honor, for actually doing the honor, commitment to our community service. To continue this event, I would like to invite
Ngatmen Panwan Hashnong Jungfi. Kamu saya yang semangat ketimuna dari panat sol kematne akan amin semua. Because of this ordinance that we have passed, I have no option but to speak in Khasi, Garo and English. And therefore I spoke the same line because my whole speech cannot be in all the languages. So in order to ensure that the official aspect is maintained, I took the liberty to speak my first line, which is of course the most important in all the three official languages of our state. I have always believed that small gestures, small steps that we take, and small recognitions are always very, very meaningful. Yesterday I was in the Jaya field, and there was a very, very large program organized by our SSA teachers and the 4th Teachers Association, where if you remember for many years our SSA teachers and 4th teachers were getting fixed pay. And more importantly, they were not having any security for their jobs, which means any time they could be removed. There was no scope of increment for them. Hence, they were remaining at the same salary for years after years. And those who served for 20 years or those who have served for 2 years, everybody was getting the same salary. There was no differentiation between seniority and junior teachers. And also there was no scope for any kind of retirement plans for them. Hence, these close to 13,000 teachers and also ad hoc teachers who were also working in the same condition. Close to about 9,000 of them, all put together about 23,000 teachers, were all going through this difficult phase for the last many, many years and decades. And therefore our government decided that if we have to reform education, if we believe that education is our priority, and if we believe that we need to change the future of our state, then we must focus on education. And if we are to focus on education and bring the changes that we want, then we must take care of our teachers. And that's why we took a very, very difficult decision. A decision which was not been able to be taken by past governments. I'm not commenting any on them, but it is a difficult decision, leading to hundreds of crores of expenditure per year. But we did it. And yesterday was the first day when they received their first structured salary. But the reason I'm telling you this story is not because of what we did. But yesterday, for some of you who must have seen the program on social media or news, they organized a small, I should say small, but it actually is a very big program, a felicitation program, where they thanked the government and the minister, all of us, the officials, for having done that. And I can tell you, in my last 8 years, by God's grace and your blessings, in the last 8 years, yesterday was maybe one of the more happy days for me and a more satisfying day to see that teachers came and thanked us. So why I'm telling you this is because every single person who came up here today, it does not matter what he or she has achieved in a larger context, but at a personal level, they have all contributed to society. They have all achieved something for themselves. They have achieved something for the locality, something for the family, and something for the state. And a lot of times we just simply overlook these people. We don't even give a pat on their back to tell them, well done, and thank you for what you have done.
Thank you once again, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for taking the initiative to make the MGN REGA into a reality. It is all because of your support. Today, we invited you so that we can put demands on you. No. We invited you because we know you that you are a man of what? Once you committed something, means you fulfill. And today I have one request. Kindly help us to grant sanction for construction of playground here at Madanriting. The playground is in a pathetic condition. The gallery that was made, if one person push another person, everybody will fall to the ground. So it's very risky. We have no options but to request through you, respected Chief Minister. Happens slow, but the Jingkren kabakirki among mangidawa ngidam gindiman namar bingyo I ba umentri rang ba uday brewo tray gigam bakloy pan snap nshashkor pa bakloy man ne tigdiga kabuk sir nabanta Jingïalang hangne namar khamtam ki khon samna ki babon ki panan kam mi gathe kamadan kabala isir kay nga poy man pet hakoy kastat hang ni tayo balay iting ba na kikumare kimla ban control kinpoy siya to kasugas school hindi pat siya la kahit kabala drum pat kalong ko iting but hawakam doon kadyaga yun akay karong kajingmot jingprakat databas niyo namar katiyan kong an empty brain is the workshop of the devil. No proper playground. Ka influence. Yakihon sa mga hagjaga pagkin penit por hapo kajaga kapag kinilekay habang kambiyang kamadan kayalam siya kalinti kibus niyo. Day na margata masungawan penpaw hang nagapor yaw minti ramba kangong subha manirap lang nabanta kamadan bagi nyo lang kamadan kabaitanat kung bagi nyo sige chuy di jaka. I would like to also request not much demands, this is the only demands that I have in mind. If you can support us, please help us also with the street lights in the entire Madanriting area. This is my humble request to you, sir. If don't mind, sir, water also is another problem, to be honest. Akong Kren, akong kuas-kuas, tilan mo. Hapkan nagkakinan man siya. Kaumru nisitam, there's lots of water scarcity in and around Madanriting. No proper pipelines. So let us see what you can do. Ngikaran scam ba gini ibang apenso? Umentri ramba unsngap lem potensyal score what unyarap lem nam dajungi.
I also call Alvarin Harumnoy for securing the first position at JIT Punedu 2025. I also call Kerry Damika Khanayor for securing the first position at JIT Punedu 2025 and the silver medal at Zendukai Karate 2025. I also call Lucky Star Kandai for securing the first in 2025. I also call Pindaplang Marak for securing the gold medal at Mass Wrestling 2025 and gold medal at Zendukai Karate Championship 2025. I also call Stephen Umsong. I also call Eugenia Umsong for securing the first position at JIT Punedu 2025 and gold medal at Zendukai Karate 2025. I also call Shwa for being the coach at UWW Belt Wrestling National Jiu-Jitsu. I also call Bajotin Kanudai. He's also been the coach at JIT Punedu. I also call Martina Black for securing gold medal at the National Zendukai Karate Championship 2023-2025. I also call William Nogandi for being the coach at the National Referee, for being the referee at the Basketball Federation of India. William Nogandi. Now I also call the representative of the Lumnam group to kindly come on stage to receive the award. Huge round of applause to them. I also call the representative of the BDP to kindly come on stage to receive the award. Madam Wansuk AM, the former MP of the Rajya Sabha, to kindly receive the token of appreciation from the floor bar. Thank you so much, ma'am. She's been wonderful, a support system to our village whole time till date, and she will continue to do so, I believe now. And
so mukim nakabanta ka jingwa senyang jopi nakabanta ka suk kasan jong krishnong tungi yathak tilang nakabanta jopi. I now invite the head constable Shri Sangma, Mara. Sangmat Mara. Kadorbash nong Madanriting sashi siyen kasno yapi nakabanta ka jingno senyang jopi nakabanta ka suk kasan jong krishnong. I now call upon Shri Various Richard Karpungon. Various Richard Karpungon. Srimati Bajoklin Karpudai, please come forward. Kadorbar Shnong Kasungu Yapi, Nakabantaka Jingno Sinyam Jumia Bayadega Pitam Shnong. Up next we have Mr. Kamti Karpungor. Kamti Karpungor. I will announce the name so that it will be much faster, not consuming much time. We have Deilang after Kamti. Srimati Deilang Sianshar, please be ready. We now have Kamti Karpungor. Let's clap for her and give her a round of applause. I now invite Srimati Deilang Sianshar. Please come up. Srimati Deilang. We now have Ms. Janita Nongkinri. To be followed by Srimati Marthalin Karpungor. Let's give a round of applause for Janita Nongkinri. And now invite Ms. Marthalin Karpungor to please come up. Sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. Just wait. I'll just see. Okay, we now call on for the next one, Ms. Jenny Karpungor. I'd like to invite the two plumbers responsible for the area of Madanriting, Sri Jude J.K. Nongru. Jude J.K. Nongru and Sri Stanlin Wardry to please come forward. J.K. Nongru. Let's give a round of applause for Jude J.K. Nongru. Thank you, sir, for helping us with all of the supply, and also thank you, sir, for Nyatsing Zeal. Baba Sri Stanlin Wardry.
About competition jungi kam judai hi katach lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kedai mengi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak sedang di email pa jong apa di amba yang penkala no syaka guest house lah neka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ni ai kerteng ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya neka 4 rooms, tangba neka 4 rooms ni sutho ba mah nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand nak daw ka floor jong ki torres ila sedang bod ading in sala ban expand jo 4 room at Kren ni dan khatsan room. Habawan kum kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak puli tingi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang ulit sa he'll go for touch la ne who want that luxury experience ulit touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki tang kata hingala ban bes bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai iba ka acknowledge lut ya baro homestays owners la ne ki instay la ne kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang shu receive kawai ka award ma katin ka gold award jam patu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ne kawai ka pini ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lut ya baro ka try hi ban promote lut ya baro